Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your environment and taking the first actionable steps. You already have Flutter and Firebase CLI. Run Firebase login, then Firebase init inside your app folder. Choose the Flutter workflow and enable Firestore or auth as needed. Once done, add Firebase core and platform-specific plugins to PubSpec. YAML and run Flutter pubget. This ensures your app has runtime bindings. Make sure to configure Google Service Info. Plist or Google Services. JSON immediately, so the next steps detect project settings. Now you move into the detailed execution. Initialize Firebase in main, with widgets Flutter binding. Ensure initialized, await Firebase. Initialize app, and then run app. You wire platform files, update Android manifest and info, plist for permissions, and paste web config in index. HTML when targeting web. Once the SDK is active, implement auth flows and Firestore access with providers or block so state is predictable. Make sure to add security rules and index definitions. Test reads and writes locally before deploying to catch schema mismatches. Finish by validating and deploying your integrated app. Use Firebase emulators. Start to run auth and Firestore locally. Run integration tests and manual flows. Once stable, deploy hosting or functions with Firebase deploy and monitor console logs. If something breaks, inspect logs and recheck Google Service Info. Plist or Google Services. JSON placement, correct package ID, and verify API key restrictions. One key troubleshooting tip. Mismatched bundle ID or package names is the most common cause. Align those exactly and reinitialize if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.